you found that job, you've gone through tests and all the job websites, or you've gone through a recruiter. Here are 5 steps to increase your chances of getting that teach abroad job. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Janet, and this is my channel Diaspora Doodles, where I get to showcase my life and share it with you. Tell you how I've lived on 6 continents, speak 7 languages, travel with my kids, with the hopes that this would inspire you to join this noble profession called teaching, especially teaching abroad. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 ways for you to increase your chances of getting that amazing job abroad. Teaching abroad is a fantastic thing. It allows me to travel because I love to travel, and it allows me to help people across the globe. If this is your first time here, please relax, grab a drink, make yourself comfortable. As always, welcome to the family. We enjoy having you here as the family grows. If you've been here before, thank you very much for coming back. Thank you for your support. Thank you for the questions that helps me to come up with new content for the channel. And yes, my heart is always with you. Thank you. Today, we're going to be looking at the 5 ways for you to maximize your chances of getting that teach abroad job. The first thing you need to do is that you need to get your pitch ready. This is very important because sometimes you come across people who either your agent or your recruiting agent or even the website, and you've got to sell yourself in 30 seconds. Do you know how to do it? It's something I've had to practice because I've been doing this for a while, but it's something that I need you to practice because not only are you going to get jobs online, you might run across people who can offer you jobs even where you are, and it will open doors for you to teach. It happened to me, so that's why I'm urging you to look into that. It also helps you with that opening paragraph of your personal statement. Now remember, your personal statement is very, very, very crucial. The reason why it's crucial is because that's the first time the school or the recruiter is having contact with you and you're selling yourself. You're selling yourself, but in a very subtle way. So this is the time for you to practice that pitch. It should be in 30 or less seconds. Who are you? What do you do? Where do you? Just use the 5 W's. Who, what, where, when, why. If you have that on lock, then you can do anything with it. When you come to interview, it's going to be easy because it's something that you're doing already and you've gotten yourself so used to it. The second thing you need to think about is that your social media profiles. So your LinkedIn profile should be spot on right now. It'll just help you because sometimes, even though you've applied through websites, government websites and all of that, some schools, I remember when I was on a panel where we're looking through prospective teachers and we went onto their social media profile. Some people's social media profile was not tidy enough. It wasn't showing that they were looking for work or open to move. It wasn't showing that, it wasn't really showing what they were doing. It had not been updated in a while, and that to us showed that this person is applying for a job, but you're not digitally literate or something, or maybe you don't know anything about social media. Schools use social media now. They have Facebook, they have Instagram, they have Twitter, they have YouTube, they have everything. They throw the publicity out there, so should you. You might be recruited to join one of these teams when you're at this school, so get used to it. Go clean up your LinkedIn profile, go clean up your Facebook profile, your Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, everything. Make sure it's showing that this person is a teacher. This person is a teacher who knows about safeguarding. This person is a teacher who knows about the current trends in education. Just get all those things ready. Have a little blurb at the top Same thing, that pitch where you'll be selling yourself should be there, and it should be showing that the things that you post and repost are related to what you do. Which brings me to the next thing. You should like and repost educational content as well. So that way you can retweet, you can repost, you can like, you can even create your own content to do with education. See, I'm creating my own content now with YouTube. So anyone who comes onto YouTube and sees what I'm doing, like, oh, Janet knows about international schools. She seems to have an experience. Do the same. It's you don't have to sit down and edit YouTube videos and all of that. You can just do it on an Instagram post and just repost other people's work. But as long as it's showing that you're that way inclined, recruiters can go on there, or schools, prospective schools can go on there and they can see, oh, okay. So that gives an idea of where your head is at and what the kind of things you do. You could even show me that you're more into the British curriculum or the Canadian curriculum or the American curriculum or just the IB. The things that you repost online sells you. So make good use of it. If you're going onto the school's website to have a look at what the school is doing and what the school is all about, chances are they're looking at you as well. The next thing you need to think about is that you need to remove anything that's incriminating. If you've gone out with your friends and you've had a nice good night, you've gone on a bender. I'm not advising you to go on a bender, by the way. You're a teacher. You're supposed to be holy and angelic and all of that. I know you have a personal life, but you want to keep your personal life personal. So you should put anything that you know will not show you in a good light to a prospective school, take it off or make it private. If you don't want to delete it, make it private. Only show the professional stuff that's showing who you are professionally. We do not mix business and pleasure. That's a saying, isn't it? Yeah. So you don't want to mix business and pleasure when it comes to things like this. So go on there, clean up your social media. Yes. Some parents will actually go and look for you. I worked in a school in the north of Spain a few years ago, and I was still in the country where I was still in another country. I had not moved here. I was still doing another job, and the parent found me. Even though I didn't use my name, I used a combination of my middle name and my mother's last name. She found me. When I met her, I found out she was an investigative journalist, so I sort of got an idea of how she found me. But yes, parents will find you, and once they find you, they can do and undo. So keep your life private. You don't want your business out there. Trust me, I've been there. It's not pretty at all. I've never had incriminating photos on my Facebook, but people can just misconstrue things and just blow things out of proportion. It didn't happen to me, but I know who it happened to. She didn't get sacked, but save yourself that trouble. Just go and clean it up. Clean it up. Finally, with all of this that you've done, the most crucial part of your journey is your personal statement. Your personal statement should talk about you. It should sell you. It should show your accomplishments. It should show the things that you've done, your educational philosophy. It shows what you're passionate about, and it's just a well-rounded photograph of you in less than 500 words. If you do not have your personal statement on lock, forget about applying, because this is 50% of the whole journey. This is the first contact the school is having with you, apart from your CV, your personal statement, because a CV can be generic, you're just filling things in and you're showing your accomplishments and all that. But your personal statement, it shows your grammar, it shows what you're like, it shows your thinking, it shows your writing style, it shows your level of intelligence. So make sure you put as much energy into making your personal statement pop. Send it off, sit down, give yourself a pat on the back, and then get ready for that interview. We shall be back next week with another segment of how to get into teaching abroad. Please subscribe, like, click on that notification bell. Peace. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend and a beautiful week ahead. Bye.